So right behind the Hero Square I showed you in the last video is the City Park. This park is one of the largest parks in Budapest, and I'm going to talk about it much later. But you see what I'm showing you now? Now during the summer, that's like filled with water, and you have boats all over paddling and just having fun on the water. And during the winter, it's turned into an ice skating rink. I'll show it to you one of these days. So back to the City Park. It has so many places to see, and I could not do this in one trip. We have the Vajrahonat Castle, which I'm showing you just about now. It has the Hungarian Agricultural Museum, and this castle reminds me of some fairy tale books I have read, like the way it has a moat surrounding it, like a fairy tale castle with a bridge and water and all the fairy tale like stuff. Inside is the Hungarian Agricultural Museum, and so many activities are held here, events, festivals, you name it, are usually held in the Vadjahunyad Castle. Also in this city park, we have several touristic sites. I couldn't exhaust all of them in a day. We have the Széchenyi thermal bath, and also have the Budapest Zoo, and several other beautiful places in this park. Places you can sit, you can have a picnic, have a walk, just admire nature, and it's usually very buzzing during the summer.
Road charge for it.
No charge.
800, yes.